Have you ever wondered why the richest families seem to stay wealthy, generation after generation, while others struggle to break free from financial cycles? Imagine passing down not just money, but a legacy so powerful your great-grandkids will feel its impact. What if I told you it's not about flashy assets or winning some lottery, but about quiet, almost invisible investments that quietly grow in the shadows? And those who master them shape the future for centuries. Welcome to You Are Wealthy, where we dive deep into the untold secrets of generational wealth. By the end of this video, you'll discover 8 sleeper assets almost no one talks about. Yet they are the very threads woven through the world's most enduring legacies. But let's not give it all away up front. Stick with me, because the last asset on this list might change everything you think about wealth. If you're passionate about success and ready to take action, hit that subscribe button. We're here to inspire and guide you every step of the way. All right, let's get started. Let's begin with a story. Picture a woman named Celine, who started with nothing but the desire to break the cycle of poverty in her family. Years later, people marveled not at the size of her house or the brand of her car, but at a peculiar diary she left behind, a diary full of lessons on invisible riches. As we unravel these assets, we'll echo Celine's journey, and maybe you'll see yourself in her story. Number 1. Intellectual property, the asset people overlook. What do the world's highest-paid musicians, creators, and inventors have in common? It isn't always millions in the bank, but copyrights, patents, and trademarks. Did you know that the estate of author J.R.R. Tolkien earns over $10 million annually just from rights to The Lord of the Rings? Most chase after stocks and real estate, but undervalue ideas and creations that compound over time. Why do people ignore these? It's subtle. People believe intellectual property is only for artists or tech geniuses. But consider this. Small business owners, teachers, and even hobbyists can turn unique knowledge or processes into intellectual property. The mistake is selling your time, instead of packaging your unique value into something that pays you repeatedly, even while you sleep. The transformation comes when you ask, what do I know, create, or offer that nobody else does? Perhaps you design board games, write poems, or have a killer recipe. With today's platforms, even a simple ebook or online course can become an income stream for your family, long after you're gone. Before moving on, here's something to ponder. Celine's first royalty check was just $67, but it signaled the beginning of the chain reaction. Stick till the end. In Asset 7, you'll discover how you can use even small intellectual properties to power up bigger generational wealth strategies. Number 2. High-quality relationships. Here's something most people never calculate. Social capital. What if I told you that a single connection can be worth more than 10 years of savings? And sometimes it happens in a single coffee chat. Most individuals assume relationships are either for friendship or business, never understanding they can be crafted to outlast market crashes, health issues, and unexpected tragedies. Ask yourself, what bridges am I building today that my children will cross tomorrow? Every introduction, mentor, and genuine friendship is a piece of generational architecture. The Rothschilds didn't just build banks, they built alliances across Europe. Even if you're shy, strategic generosity and empathy can open doors for generations. So if you're wondering how to go from who do I know to who will help my kids and grandkids, stay tuned. In Asset 5, I'll reveal the exact blueprint for creating a family network that spans industries and continents. But I won't give it all away yet. After all, what would you do with invisible connections worth millions? Number 3. Private business ownership, the engine of hidden dynasties. Over 60% of America's billionaires made their fortune by owning private businesses, not public stocks. Families like the Mars family, yes, the candy empire, have held private ownership for generations, quietly resisting the urge to go public and lose control. Here's where most go wrong. They chase quick flips, ignoring businesses they can control, nurture, and pass down. People believe you need to be the next Elon Musk to build a dynasty, yet even small local enterprises, bakeries, tech firms, landscaping companies can become multi-generational legacies. Your business can be a school for future leaders, a source of family pride, and a shelter during economic storms. Asset 4 will show you how to turn even a side hustle into a resilient inheritance. Number 4. Financial education, the compound effect nobody sees. What if I told you the single greatest asset you can give isn't money or property? It's financial literacy. Households with high financial literacy accumulate 5 times more wealth over their lifetimes. The classic blunder is parents focus on leaving cash, forgetting to teach what to do with it. Money handed to those who don't understand it is like water in a leaky bucket. You'd be surprised how many lottery winners lose it all in less than 5 years. What if every family meeting included a money minute? Teach about debt, investing, budgeting, and compound interest. If you had to pick one superpower to pass on, would it be your net worth or your financial know-how? When financial intelligence is the legacy, every asset on this list compounds. Are you curious about the one investment that grows as you share it? Number 5. Real estate, not just location. Ownership that defies time. Let's break a myth. Real estate is not just about location, it's about ownership structure. Ultra-wealthy families in Japan, Europe, and Dubai don't just buy houses or apartments. They own income-producing assets structured in trusts and family partnerships. The Taikichiro Mori family in Japan grew wealth to $13 billion by reimagining city ownership in the 20th century. Most people make the mistake of buying for personal comfort instead of generational advantage, homes that depreciate, or single-use properties with no cash flow. You're not just buying land, you're buying generational freedom. Build property with additional income streams, invest in land with embedded resources, or negotiate development rights that compound with time. Now, before we continue, in Asset 7, I'm about to share a completely different kind of property that most don't even realize exists. It could be right under your nose. What else can you own besides brick and mortar that multiplies for your family? Number 6. Legacy documents. The written wealth most forget. Here's the twist. The most neglected asset in most families isn't financial at all. It's a legacy document. Family constitutions, ethical wills, and mission statements are used by dynasties for centuries. According to Harvard Business Review, almost 70% of wealth transfers fail by the 3rd generation because families don't define collective values and vision. Most make the mistake of assuming an inheritance is only about cash or real estate, never realizing that legacy documents clarify expectations, succession plans, and the stories that keep wealth alive. Without shared vision, assets are scattered and lost. Ask yourself, does my family have a document that defines what wealth means to us and what we want to accomplish? If not, this may be the missing multiplier. Start with a one-page statement about your family's goals and principles, updating it as your dynasty grows. As Napoleon Hill said in Think and Grow Rich, a goal is a dream with a deadline. Make your dreams tangible. Written values help families survive disputes, teach future generations, and anchor wealth in meaning, not just numbers. Number 7. Cultural capital. The community advantage often hidden. Ever heard of cultural capital? Not just your country's customs, but the shared beliefs, habits, and traditions that shape wealth attitudes. Families sailing through economic storms often have invisible skills, like negotiation, grit, and risk management, embedded in their culture. The error most make, ignoring their unique history, language, or trade wisdom, instead copying trends. They lose the internal compass that outlasts market crashes. Imagine a family that celebrates frugality, innovation, and generosity. Those values are passed down, quietly influencing every financial choice. Ask, what is our secret recipe, our family story, our inside joke that can guide us for 100 years? Teach the next generations to value both hard and soft skills, not just what they own, but how they think and relate to the world. As The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas Stanley and William Danko revealed, most true millionaires are culturally driven to avoid showing off, minimize debt, and maximize learning. In the next asset, I'll reveal how you can package your cultural capital with technology, making your legacy immortal. Number 8. Digital legacy, the asset. Only 21st century families can build. In today's world, one of the most powerful assets for generational wealth is digital legacy, curated archives, online brands, and digital tools that can be passed down and scaled globally. Families who capture stories, lessons, assets, and even NFTs, non-fungible tokens, build enduring brands. Most people mistake digital legacy for just social media. They forget that carefully curated emails, video interviews, family podcasts, and investment blueprints can educate and enrich for generations. Tech giants are now archiving family wealth digitally, embedding instructions into smart contracts, ensuring their heirs can't squander fortunes on a whim. If you're asking yourself, how can I make my wealth outlast me in cyberspace? The answer is simple. Start building your family's digital archive today. Record interviews, save useful resources, and teach heirs how to manage digital assets. As Gary Vaynerchuk wrote in Crushing It, your legacy is being written by yourself. Make the right decisions. Don't let your family become a lost password. Future-proof your legacy. Use encryption, multi-generation passwords, and be the family that never forgets its own story. Let's circle back to Celine. Her diary wasn't the end. It was the beginning. By quietly building intellectual property, nurturing bonds, creating private businesses, teaching financial literacy, architecting resilient real estate ownership, crafting legacy documents, nurturing cultural capital, and pioneering digital legacies, she lifted generations. Remember, wealth is not always what the world sees. It's what endures quietly underneath, growing like roots beneath a tree. If these insights moved you, subscribe to You Are Wealthy. Here, we reveal these silent but mighty tools so you can become the architect of your family's future. Drop a comment. What quiet asset are you building right now? And if you want to know 10 minimalist money rules to build wealth faster, the rich swear by, watch this video. I'll see you there.